Hello everyone and welcome to video number 4. This video is promoting this gorgeous new classic cover. Let me tell you what this is about. This is something that you can earn absolutely free or at a fraction of the cost during the month of October. This gorgeous classic cover with the recipe, the true recipe embossed design that you see here, not only the word recipe, but the 3 measuring spoons. This was an item that was released as a Hostess exclusive item starting with our fall and winter catalog. But they are telling me that it is selling out fast. So I have designed a bundle concept around this cover, and I want to get that promoted and kind of dates set for the month of October. So in case it sells out, I do not have anyone unhappy. So the dates I am looking at is going to be the 21st of October through the 31st of October while supplies last. And again, this is in person, that gorgeous fawn colored classic cover for your family recipe. So let's dive in. Let me show you where you're going to find lots of details. Again, go to withplanningwithsandy.com and click on Earn Free Product. I've got different information here that shows you how you can, what you earn for being a hostess and how you earn it. And then we have got, again, an image here of this gorgeous new exclusive cover. But what I want to share with you, there's 2 ways to earn. You can earn through the traditional host rewards program, just based on what your sales are. You earn so much free credit, so many half-price items, and so many hostess exclusive items. But I also have this new bundle option that we're going to go over here, click, and check out this bundle. So I've got a bundle that's going to include totes, straps, magnetic clips, charms, inserts, and that is where you can actually build this complete recipe planner. Make it on the go with the tote. You can build it on me. Special pricing to do that. So let's go ahead and check that out. You can see here bundle number 1 is a $30 bundle. The host would pay $30 plus tax and shipping. Her requirements would be a $300 party with 1 booking. And what she would earn would be the cover in large, 3 inserts of her choice, and the magnetic clip. So let's show you those things. So again, here is the cover. Here is the gorgeous magnetic clip, front view of that clip, and the back view of that clip. And then the insert that I am suggesting is of course, the recipe insert. With the recipe insert, again, I realize you're seeing this, I believe, backwards, but you put down the recipe, who it's from, how many it serves, how would you rate it, prep time, cook time, notes, ingredients, and then all the recipe, how to follow that recipe here. So this is a large recipe insert, so you would get 3 inserts, and you could choose the recipe. I'm assuming you would want to. It goes gorgeous with this cover, but you can choose any insert that you want. So bundle number 1 for $30 is cover, 3 inserts, and the magnetic clip. Bundle number 2 is everything we just said, all of those things, except you get to add a 4th insert. So you get cover, 4 inserts, the hostess exclusive charm. I do not have that in person to share, so here's an enlarged view of that gorgeous little cute whisk that matches the cover. You still get the magnetic clip, and then you get the tote and tote strap. This bundle is $45. It requires a $500 party and 1 booking, and the hostess only pays $45 plus tax and shipping. And with this bundle, let me show you, I do have the gorgeous this is a medium size tote. This is in that suede, almost that, it feels like a suede. It's not that slick, shiny. We do have some totes that's kind of a slick finish, but this is probably my favorite. It's more of a textured suede, beautiful blue. You've got the coordinating, you can see the blues that kind of run through the strap, but it gives you that the fall colors. You're going to see the blues, and you're going to see rust and yellows. I know there's rust. I got to find some rust. Let me turn it over. There you go. There's some rust. So you can see the textures and the gorgeous colors that run through that. It looks beautiful with the tote. So that is your bundle number 2, where you get not only the cover and the things for the kitchen, but you get to add a tote and a strap. Now, what I'm going to promote, I will do whatever you would like to do, but what I am going to promote is going to be a new party that I did several of in the spring, and it's just a self-paced brochure style party. It's a new scroll party, so it's basically everything that you and your guests would want to see or need to know in one simple location. So instead of there being a Facebook group where during this very busy time of the year, people feel like they have to come in and catch what I post when I post it, they may miss out on things. This is a one and done. I will build the website. I will personalize it for you, and then I will send you the link, and you send that out to your guests. So it's just basically it's a digital style brochure party, but with so much more benefit. It's not just catalogs and order forms. It is videos, how-tos. Let me show you a sample of what the party page would look like. This is my sample party page. So it's kind of outdated with spring colors, but you would send a link to your guest, and it would have your name here, your party date information, a table of contents where they could click on any of these things: welcome videos, who are we, door prize information, how to build a planner, learning center, crafting corner. I do have an optional live video if someone wants to add that to their party. I would love to do that. Shopping link, customer specials, you name it. There's a link to all of it. And then here is what it would look like. So your guests will absolutely have an easy way to navigate, stay in touch with what's going on. And if they RSVP to the party directly with me, there's going to be a link. I'll go back up here at the top that asks them to please RSVP. And if they do that, then they are going to be linked to me, and I will send reminders and things out to them. So that is how easy it will be to host a fun party that will get you one or both, either bundle A or bundle B, or you can use the regular hostess program. This is the time that everyone is looking into 2024 and figuring out how are they going to plan? Do they want a new cover? What do they want? If your friends have never been introduced to Tula 12, this is a great time to do it, and you have an opportunity to earn this beautiful limited supply cover for recipes. So thank you so much. Let me know if you are interested in doing a party. I will put a link in here so that you can book now. And again, because of some conflicts, the dates I'm going to be shooting for is October 21st through the 31st. Thank you so much, and have a great October.